All right, this is going to be Green-Eyed Lady by Sugarloaf. So this has a bunch of really cool, fun riffs. So first there's like a bass line. So it kind of waits until the and of the one. So it's like 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, so you kind of wait just a half a beat. 2, 3, 4, 1. And that's 4 in the big one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 on the second, 5 on the second. So 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. And then we have some high notes here. So we can slide into the 10 and then slide into the 9. Just from some wherever near there, you know. 10 to 9, and then we're going to go 10 to 7. And then we're going to go 7, 10, 12, 14, 15. Okay, so once again, we have it sliding into 10. 3, 4, 1, 2. Seven, 10. Okay, now later on we're going to have one that goes same beginning, but it'll go all the way to the 17. Okay, so if you put those two together, you have 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, now the next great riff in this tune is the one that goes. Okay, so we wait for the 2, so 2, 3, 4, 1. Hit on the 2 there. So 2, 3, 4, 1. So that's 2 on the big one. 2, 3, 4, 1. And then 3, 3, 3 on the second to first and second string. And then 2, 3, 4 in the G. So we got 2, 3, 4, 1. So that time instead of 2, 3, 3, 3, we're going 2 and then 2 to 3 to 2. So we got 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so that one goes down, so it goes chromatic down from 3 to 2 to 1 down there. So 3, 4, 1. To the 2. To the 1. And now we have the end of this riff. So 2 on the big one, and then 3 and 4 in the G. Back to that bass note. We got 1 and 2 on the G there, so. And then we're going to go big string, 4, 5, 4, 5. And then we wait a second for that first beat and don't hit that 2 right there. And we come in on that second beat. So 1, 2. See how I didn't go? Because you want to actually wait, and then you come in. So let's go real slow on that. So 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and we come in on the 2. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, and then we wait a second. We switch to the 2 there. Let's try that one. 2, 3, coming in on the 2. 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's try those 2 together. 2, 3, 4, 1. Next one. Let's keep going. Let's try all that again. 2, 3, 4, 1. And then we got this last part. So let's look at that again. 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so sometimes it does get into a loop like that. Okay, so that's good for that part. Now later on there's a solo, and you could use these chords here if you wanted to jam along with this solo. So this is a really long song, there's a lot of parts. It's pretty complicated, but these fun little riffs I thought would be cool to check out. So this little chord sequence, this is a B minor. This is like 9, 7, 7, 7. You kind of come up here, come into this 9, 11, 10, and 9 kind of a shape there. And then we're going to come into what looks like a D minor type shape on the bottom. So we've got 9, 11, 12, and 10. A little tricky to get to that one. So you got this 9, 7, 7, 7. And you got 9, 11, 10, 9. Then you'd have 9, 11, 12, and 10. Up to these 12s. So those are a little bit tricky. Let's go over everything we had so far. So we had this bass line, comes in on the and of the 1. So 2, 3, 4, 1. So let's try that. 2, 3, 4, 1. And then we got, so on the 3, so 1, 2. 10 to 7. And right here, before you hit that 5, you'd go 7, 10, 12, 14, 15, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then we got that 1 that goes all the way to the 17. Okay, then when we got our kind of bass line here, comes in on the 2, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, and then our chords were 9 and 7s, 9 and 11 and 10, 9, 9, 11, 12 and 10, and 12s. Okay, Green Eyed Lady by Sugarloaf. Hope you dug that. This will have a little tab with it. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. Let me know if you have any requests. Please put those in the comments for this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.